Hey, Chris Matthew here. I've been experimenting with this new idea I'm calling decentralized XR anchors. Basically, it's a combination of a few open source projects like ARJS, grabbing lat longs and doing some geohashing, and using GunDB to store these by, I think I've got it set to a half-mile radius via geohashes. So basically, this little icon at the bottom right of this app, you touch it and it basically drops a real-time XR anchor right at your lat long where you're standing. So I've been kind of experimenting with this, like using it to find my car in parking lots, what have you. But you can imagine that these little anchors could be GLTFs. You could put an API that drops it into GunDB, say from at a particular geohash, or these could be like triggers based on, like, if you're here, fire events or things that could happen. What's kind of cool about this is as you move around or walk around, the size of these anchors changes respectively. So the closer you get, the bigger they get. The further away, the smaller they get. So you can kind of imagine, the interesting things you could do. And being decentralized, there isn't like a company that owns the AR cloud. These are all could be something that we as a movement, if you will, could write to as the beginning of AR cloud. So if you want to play with this, feel free to open up your web browser. It's a WebXR app, xranchors.com. So there you go. Kind of an interesting experiment.